Hhayi-ke amanene namanenekazi, hhayi ngathi sekubi manje uPetunia uhlanza igazi. And mina all this time I thought mhlawumbe uPetunia umithi. Kodwa udokotela uthi kuyena she's been taking some medication. I-medication leyo imenze ukuthi abe bathi ntoni ulcer. Because le medication le uyithatha kakhulu. Bese wabuza-ke uSakhile ukuthi hawu. Kanti le nto le uPetunia sekawumuntu ojulile ngaleyo ndlela leyo sekayi-addict manje. Athi udokotela no, she's very very lucky because abanye abantu they are unable to survive le nto enjengalena. Manje asazi ukuthi yini kahle kahle le bekayithatha yenze ukuthi avele abe addict. Because manje uPetunia bekakhala ngokuthi hey ngiyakhathala nkosi yami. Mina I actually thought ukuthi umithi. But well, it looks like she's not because udokotela akashiyongo lutho ngendaba yokumitha nani. Ukhulume nje indaba yokuthi lo muntu uthatha amapilisi and la mapilisi lawo yiyo ambangela inkinga. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Limadekwana, sanibonani, absheni, molweni, minjani? Yo, hiphukile hingongwena. So namutlha ka nona kwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hi kuma ku ri dzembe lo vuyelela mufeneni. So Mr. Previous mayor nonkosikazi wakhe, well, ne-girlfriend yakhe uMatha, they're back in the hotel and they're making it very known, loud and clear, but ngicela ngikhiphe amaphela wonke la hotel. So now Mr. Mkhwanazi was a bit concerned. Uyabathola lapha uthi hayi mina sengibuyile manje ngathi khona abantu abazokhala. Yabona wena le mayor yakho masho mayor usho uSakhile. Uthi no ngibuyile, uNcuka is doing wonders. Well, he didn't actually tell them ukuthi uNcuka is doing wonders, but uthe ngibuyile ke senizozwa ngami uyokhala mfana wami. Ngakutshela ukuthi uzokhala. I will always bounce back. As they were having that conversation, kwangena kuPetunia noMr. Mayor, bangena lapha uPetunia bathi nakho-ke sekayahlanza igazi, kwaba siphithiphithi, kwaba njani, and then bese uyahanjiswa i-ambulance. While on the other hand, on the other side of things, because uMamiki, they were no longer talking as friends, but then malesimo lesisenzakala ke uMamiki thought she should extend the sympathy and akhulume nomngani wakhe. Okay ke bese bayafonelana labo ukuthi no umuntu uyagula. Awu bese kena inkinga ila ukuthi uMr. Mkhwanazi does not understand how did it happen ukuthi the hotel goes back to them. Ngakhathi khona into ebumnyama nyana enzakalayo that they don't understand. Speaking for about ubumnyama, uphakade lam uphakade uyahamba because ingoduso okay, it's not ingoduso but umuntu othandana naye. Remember, this is Caesar's ex-wife says mina I don't like the fact ukuthi mina I have to see you once in a long while and when I'm busy la ebumnyameni, so it's better sihambe. So he's resigning athi uyasehla isitulo and then uyahamba. Some people were shocked to hear he said, some people are happy to hear, some people bafila sorry for me to leave, but ngiyazi khona laba bajabule ongidlula bajabule baganunwabo. Isithi uganunwabo, yeah, they're very excited. Then now they gave well wishes, nomfundisi gave well wishes, and then on the other hand, of speaking of well wishes, uTiny is not actually impressed ukuthi uTim left ayekhaya. Thatha isikhathi eside angakhulumi. uTim mabuye ifoni yakhe bengasebenzi and mazama ukufonela inetwork bengabambi nakhona. Uthi inkinga ukuthi mafika ekhaya bebamforced ukuthi akahlale nonkosikazi wakhe, but yena uthi ufuna isehlukaniso because lo nkosikazi lo wenze amanyala, so akasafuni yena ukuba lapho, ufuna uTiny. Manje uTiny uthi yena akakwazi ukushare because uGuy uTim uthi yena-ke akafuna ukuthi ingane zakhe zikhuliswe omunye umuntu wesilisa, ufuna ukuzikhulisela yena. So nangabe lo sisi lo akahambe bese ushiye ingane and then lokho akeke kukhona kwenzakala-ke bese uTim athi mhlambe bese uTiny athi yalalela mina angifuni ukushare, I want the entire piece of the pie, and if you can't give me that-ke hayi azilimi zetsheni, because that's one thing I'm not going to do. Because the last time ngithandana nendoda yomuntu, I was embarrassed by who I was the talk of the town. This time around angithathanga ndoda yamuntu, ngithatha umuntu sekahlukene nomuntu manje-ke just don't want to be the other girl. So ngalokho-ke mina ngithi ma ungifuna uzongifonela. Wahamba-ke bese uMatha now has taken her position as the owner of the hotel and the manager. First and then she told told everybody to clean up because ubuyile sekawuboss and izinto zohamba ngomomo. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a very big thumbs up.